Hey there, Gareth here, and today we're excited to introduce another product in our brand new Solis line, the rechargeable 360-degree pivoting Worklight, part number SOL-W1. This powerful light packs 400 lumens of brightness, delivering substantial power for any situation. The Solis Worklight features multiple brightness modes on both the flashlight and the cob light, providing you with customizable lighting options. Whether you're in need of high intensity, low intensity, or strobe, the Solis Worklight has you covered. The cob light even features a red warning light or strobe for signaling an emergency. And here are some of its standout features. It's powered by an 1800 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which also doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge your devices on the go even in the most remote locations. Its compact and foldable design make it easy to pack and carry, plus the adjustable base and 360-degree rotating head give you complete control and virtually unlimited positioning options. Its base has 3 magnets and a spring-loaded carabiner built in, so it attaches to metallic objects or hooks onto nearby structures for convenient hands-free use. And it has a water-resistant build to withstand the elements, so rain or shine, the Worklight will endure the toughest outdoor conditions. Experience the convenience and reliability of the Solis 360-degree pivoting Worklight from Jonar Tools. Illuminate your workspace and stay powered up no matter where you are. And remember, this tool is part of our versatile Solis product line, which also includes a tactical flashlight, LED flex headlamp, and job site LED headlamp, offering you a complete range of lighting solutions for all your needs. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.